Number 1.
1996 Ford F150, price $5,999. It has 151,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by a 4.9L inline-six gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck features a black exterior with a tan interior, offering a classic and timeless look. It holds a clean title and runs smoothly thanks to recent maintenance, including new front and rear brakes, all new front suspension bushings, ball joints, and steering links/rods. Inside, the cabin is equipped with 3 seats, power locks, windows, and mirrors, as well as cold air conditioning and hot heat, ensuring comfort in any weather. With rear-wheel drive, this F-150 delivers dependable performance and straightforward handling. Combining durability, comfort, and classic Ford reliability, this truck is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a solid daily driver or work-ready pickup.
Number 2.
1999 Ford Ranger, price $9,950. Powered by a dependable 3.0L V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering a smooth and reliable driving experience. With only 81,000 original miles, this truck remains in remarkably clean condition for its age. Finished in classic white with a gray interior, it features power windows, power locks, cruise control, and an AM/FM/CD stereo system for added convenience and comfort. The extended cab includes rear jump seats, providing additional space for passengers or storage, while the bed liner helps protect the cargo area from wear and tear. The interior is clean and well kept, showing minimal signs of use, and the exterior remains solid with only minor cosmetic wear consistent with its age. Overall, this Ford Ranger runs excellently, shifts smoothly, and has been carefully maintained.
Number 3.
1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,800. The truck has approximately 177,000 miles on it and features an automatic transmission. Finished in silver with a gray interior, this truck runs exceptionally well and is powered by a 5.7L gasoline engine paired with 4x4 capability and 3.42 gears. Everything functions properly except for the air conditioning. On the road, it drives smoothly without any shakes, rattles, or unusual noises. At some point, the truck was undercoat for added protection, although there is some rust present in the bed area and on the lower front fenders. The cab remains very solid overall. Inside, the interior is in impressive condition, rated around 8.5 out of 10, with new door pins installed on the driver's side for improved fit and function. The frame is solid, making this Chevrolet a reliable and sturdy vehicle that performs well as a daily driver. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds.
Number 4.
1992 Ford F350, price $10,000. It has approximately 163,000 miles on it and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a white exterior paired with a blue interior, and runs on gasoline, powered by a 460 V8 engine. This truck runs and drives smoothly. It has no rust, and the interior remains in excellent condition. There are no rips, tears, or worn spots, and the dashboard is free of cracks. The headliner is well preserved, showing how carefully the vehicle has been maintained. It also comes with fully functioning air conditioning, and all the warning lights are clear, indicating a well-maintained system. The truck has never been in an accident and has never been used for heavy work, which contributes to its remarkably clean overall condition.
Number 5.
1984 Ford F250, price $8,000, powered by a 5.8L V8 OHV 16-valve 351 Windsor engine with a 4-barrel carburetor and rear-wheel drive. It delivers solid classic truck performance. The truck starts easily and runs great, benefiting from many recent upgrades, including a new Holley 4-barrel carburetor with air cleaner and manual choke, upgraded master cylinder, new front brake rotors, calipers, pads, and lines, as well as a performance aluminum water pump, low-temp thermostat, new distributor,
NGK plugs and wires.
It also has a prior owner aluminum radiator, newer rear tires, a new manual fuel pump, and fuel filter. All lights are fully functional for night driving. Cosmetically, there's rust repair on both rear quarter panels and some rust on the cab corners, typical for its age. As an older vehicle, it also has minor leaks.
Number 6.
1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,400. It has approximately 190,000 miles on it and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in a striking red exterior, the truck both runs and drives exceptionally well. The engine and transmission are completely leak-free, reflecting the vehicle's solid mechanical condition. According to the previous owner, the engine was rebuilt some time ago and is paired with a Flowmaster exhaust, giving it a deep, classic rumble. All systems and features on this truck function as they should, making it a dependable and enjoyable drive. The interior and exterior are both in excellent condition, with no signs of rust or structural issues. It has been well maintained over the years and comes with a clean title.
Number 7.
1978 Ford F100, price $9,800, equipped with a powerful 351 modified engine paired with a C6 automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and reliable performance. It features a new 2-barrel carburetor, new brakes, a fresh timing chain, a new distributor, and a complete tune-up, all of which contribute to the truck's excellent running condition. With only 98,000 original miles, this classic pickup remains in remarkable shape for its age. Additional recent upgrades include a new rear main seal, new locking hubs, and brand new tires. The four-wheel drive system functions exactly as it should, providing solid traction and capability on and off the road.
Number 8.
1982 Dodge 150, price $5,500. It has approximately 78,000 miles on it and features a 4-speed manual transmission. The truck comes in a brown exterior with a matching brown interior. Powered by a slant-6 gasoline engine, the vehicle is rust-free and equipped with power steering, power brakes, and front disc brakes for reliable handling. It also includes an AC hookup, custom wheels, and a custom steering wheel, adding both comfort and character to its classic build. Additionally, a camper shell is included, making it an excellent option for someone looking for a restoration project or a fun family build. The registration tags are current, and the truck is occasionally driven, indicating it remains in working condition.
Number 9.
1986 Ford F150, price $3,000. This truck has 76,000 miles on it and features an automatic transmission. The exterior is finished in silver, complemented by a red interior, and it runs on gasoline. Under the hood, it's powered by a 351 Windsor V8 engine paired with Ford's signature twin I-beam suspension, providing a smooth and comfortable ride. This truck comes with a clean title under the current owner's name and has never been involved in any accidents. It still retains its original character with only 75,000 original miles, a testament to its careful ownership over the years. Recent maintenance includes a new carburetor, battery cables, windshield wipers, distributor, spark plugs and wires, computer module, and a fresh oil change, ensuring that it's well taken care of mechanically. The truck runs and drives decently, with both fuel tanks operational. The heater works properly, while the tires have developed some flat spots from sitting.
Number 10.
1984 GMC 1500, price $4,800. The truck comes in a blue exterior with a matching blue interior. Powered by a gasoline engine, the vehicle is in remarkable condition for its age, showing very little rust, which means buyers can save thousands on bodywork that won't be needed. Under the hood, it retains its original 305 engine, now equipped with a Holley carburetor instead of the factory Quadrajet, along with headers and the removal of all the old emissions equipment. It's paired with a fresh 700R4 transmission for smoother and more reliable performance. This classic GMC also features dual fuel tanks, along with fully functional air conditioning and heating systems.